Tangent radius property, practice number 14. A plane, P, is cruising at an altitude of 4.2 kilometers above the Earth. The radius of the Earth is approximately 6,370 kilometers. The distance between O and H will be our radius, which is the center of the circle to touching the circle in a straight line. How far is the plane from the horizon? And the horizon is represented by H. So we're trying to find out the distance between P and H, which is the plane and the horizon. Calculate the distance to the nearest kilometer. Line PH is also known as our tangent line. And the tangent radius property states that when a tangent and radius meet on a circle at a point of tangency, this will create a 90-degree angle. And if we have a 90-degree angle, we have a right angle triangle. Redraw the right angle triangle and we'll solve for the unknown side using Pythagorean theorem. The angle here is our 90-degree angle, known by point H. This will be point P, and this will be point O. The distance between O and H is our radius, so that will be 6,370 kilometers. The distance between P and H is our unknown. And now we need to find out the distance between P and O. So O to touching the circle will also be our radius, which is 6,370 kilometers. And the distance between the end of the circle and P is 4.2 kilometers. So if we add those together, we can get a distance of O to P. So 6,370 plus 4.2 will give us a total of 6,374.2 kilometers, which is the distance between O and P. And now that we know two sides of our three sides in our right angle triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the unknown side. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Our c will be the line opposite of our right angle, which is 6,374.2. Our a can be our unknown side. And that makes b our radius, which is 6,370. So 6,370 squared is going to be 40,576,900, and 6,374.2 squared is 40,630,425.64. Next, we have to remove the 40 million plus on this side. Do that by subtracting it, and that means we have to subtract that number from this side as well. The plus 40,576,900 and the minus 40,576,900 will cancel, leaving us with a squared. And if we take that 40,576,900 away from this side as well, we get 53,525.64. Next, let's remove the squared from the a squared. Do that by getting the square root of a squared. We also have to get the square root of this side as well. The squared and the square root will cancel, leaving us with a. And the square root of 53,525.64 will be 231 kilometers. So a is equal to 231 kilometers. And remember that this answer was rounded to the nearest kilometer. So the distance between the plane and the horizon is 231 kilometers.